Hi everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So this is just a quick update on the freight side of the business. So as many of you would be aware, within Australia and pretty much around the world actually, the freight system is under strain. We're seeing delays left, right and centre. We're getting notices. I know here in Australia I've had a notice from a couple of the companies that they're not picking up for a few days because they're trying to catch up on backlog. They might be shut in various areas for deep cleans or those types of things. Or also, I know that a couple of the freight carriers in Australia are under industrial action at the moment. So what that means for Bullion Now family is that things can take an extra few days to get to you. So where before we might be able to get things out to you within 2, 3, 4 days, you may be finding that it's getting to you in 5, 6, 7 business days instead. So I guess what I'm appealing for here is a little bit of patience. Just be aware that we're all getting them out and processed as quickly as we can. They still come, all our parcels go out with full tracking, so you still should be able to see that we've dispatched it fairly expeditiously and where it is along the food chain as it gets scanned through the various ports. But yeah, just if you're planning something, you need something for a birthday or for Christmas, or you just flat out, I want it now sort of thing, just be aware that it can take that little bit of extra time. And even internationally, I know we had a letter from one of our international carriers saying that they were struggling a little bit. So even our international stuff, which is usually pretty quick, might take that little bit extra. The other flow-on effect I wanted to highlight was it's also impacting us on inbound goods. So stuff that we're bringing in from overseas or even from Perth. I've noticed that the the freight times are actually starting to blow out quite a bit, to a point where we actually received an email yesterday from Perth Mint explaining and apologising for delays in dispatch out of there. So if you've got something on pre-order, you may find that we're not getting it in quite as quickly as we normally would. So again, full apologies up front. Just to summarise, allow a few extra days, and this is going to last, I'd say, through till Christmas at least. So allow that extra time for deliveries to turn up, but also allow that extra time for deliveries coming into us and then getting dispatched out to you. That's it for now. That's all I wanted to say. We'll talk again soon. See ya.